Run command offers great accessibility to your system's resources as it enables quick shortcuts to important system files and directories, as well as other improvements related to grouping on categories, frequently accessed system paths, and even URL searches. Firstly, there is a need to make a distinction between Microsoft's classical Run application and the current tool I are referencing here, Run command. This application is extremely small in size and is portable. As a consequence, it is a mobile instrument that can easily be transported from one PC to another via a USB flash drive. Furthermore, Run command enables flexibility and offers access to a much larger spectrum of applications and directories than the traditional Run application. With this program, you can easily execute commands with admin privileges or not, minimize it to the tray for fast access, change the language settings, customize the toolbar with important and frequently accessed programs. Open up quickly both Programs menu and Control panel, and execute programs. Compared with Windows's Run tool, Run command lets you change the hotkey for starting it up. Also, you can use Run command's search bar for accessing locations by path or apply environment variables. Plus, the tool always saves your previous searches in the search bar's drop-down, and you can customize the URL section for opening up your favorite links more rapidly. Run command is flexible, free, and a good and quick access panel for all other resources, shell commands, services, and files. Also, with your favorite customizations in place, you can speed up your processes and explore all your system's resources and tools like a pro. See you next video, and now some music.